Hi, this is Dr. Ragini from Jata Fertility Center, Gachibowli, Hyderabad. Let's know heavy menstrual bleeding. So many of my friends have doubts that their kids is having heavy bleeding. When their kids who has attained menarche just recently has been bleeding throughout 15 to 20, 30 days, then this is time that they need certain iron supplements, and it takes time for the body to adjust, and it takes time for the periods to come regularly and to stop regularly. This is importantly seen for a younger age group, that we just have to give a good leafy vegetables, good fruits, good protein diet, and also good care to them. And importantly, because of that age group, they even cannot take care of their own menstrual hygiene, which should be supported from her mother as well during the time of her periods. Second is the next age group of mine is between 20 to 30 years. If any of the females is getting heavy menstrual bleeding during this period, 20 to 30 years, these are the women mostly come under PCO. PCO is a condition where again the hormone is not in place, again the female experience an hormonal imbalance, having obesity, unwanted hair, hirsutism, and also loss of hair, that is alopecia. All these are the features of PCOS. These are the women who has to importantly take care of her health. Self-care is the best thing that they need to do in terms of having regular exercises like gym, yoga, swimming, treadmill. In all these ways, the woman tries to get back her weight to normal and also hormones in place. So these are the main important core treatment that they need to follow, apart from taking all sorts of medication to control their hormones. And next age group for heavy menstrual bleeding between 30 to 45 years. Any woman who is having heavy menstrual bleeding between 30 to 45 years should be extra careful to know and visit a gynecologist if there is any other growth, any other fibroids, any other things which are happening within the uterus, because irregular or imbalance in hormones in this age group is definitely seen, but additionally they can also have fibroids, adenomyosis, adenomyoma, or any cervical growth. These are all very keenly find out, and to know if there is also any certain what I can say you cancerous changes that are mainly encountered during this age group. So early detection can give you better results. To know more, do follow us. Thank you.